This is DC Danton Pro Crusader. It's the 25th of April. And look who we have here. We have little Luca. Oh, there he goes. There goes our little Luca. But he'll come back. Wow, is it cold? It's about 4 degrees, but we have a good wind here. Very, very, very cold. Wow, is it cold? It's supposed to go up to 11 today. I doubt it very much. We'll see. But anyway, toward the end of this week, this cold front is moving out. This, I don't know, Siberian winter here. I don't know what to say. Arctic freeze. There we go, puppies. There we go. So used to calling my little Miele puppy. All my little birdies are puppies here. See? There we go. Okay. Just don't want to get in their way. Here come the little ducks here. Hurry up, get in there, honeys. Get in there. Seymour's ready to go. There's our little Seymour. Oh, there's our little Seymour. There's our little Seymour. Okay. Put down our little food here. Number of crows, about 30, staying at that size. Same number of silver gulls. Of course, no black-headed gulls anymore. Haven't been for a while. Okay. All right. Let's put down their nuts. We have one duck over there in the field. That might be Luca because he's all alone. Ah. Yeah, they also love the grain balls. They love the grain balls as well. They have some leftover pasta in there. They have dinkel in there. I guess they call it spelt in English. And they have regular wheat. And they have grain. And they have walnuts. Thanks to our wonderful subscribers. Some of our subscribers contribute to the birds. I'm very thankful for that. I also want to thank you for all your wonderful comments. I know I haven't gotten back to them, but every day I have to do a project in the house as far as packing goes. It's a lot of work for me. And at the same time, I got to clean up and organize everything up because of the cats. I got to wash the floors up again, the dust that goes flying around. This apartment is so incredibly dusty. And that has to do with all the construction here. So, there are little birdies here. There they are. That's Seymour. Seymour's guarding the feeding station. Look at him, what he's doing. Oh, he's sparring. Look at that. So, there we go. Now as our little crows are here, I think I'll come down the other way. I can see from the front here. Our little pigeons are down there, and we have a little duck down there. He's trying to get in there to eat some sunflower seed. Here's our little silver gulls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only between 5 and 7. I've never seen more than 7. There he goes, getting another egg. That's Seymour. See? Seymour is the largest. He's after those eggs. There he goes. Ah, there's the hawk. Did you see that? Yes, there's chicken in there. Some leftover chicken from another little creature. Look at that. Right in front of me. Can you imagine that? How hungry that little hawk is? And he smells the chicken. He is so good he smelled that. That's just amazing. Well, I'm going to leave here. He may go down and get that chicken. Okay? He smells it. He never comes down directly so close to the street and so close to me. That's definitely Jeremy, but he smells that chicken and he's very, very hungry. He's not after the birds. He's after the chicken. So we'll let him see if he can get something. There he goes. There he is. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. I'm not sure he got anything. It's probably because I'm standing here. He's afraid. So I'll get going and see if he can come down and get some chicken, and then basically he'll take off. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Have a great day. There he goes. He also smells the eggs. Love your birds. Take care of yourself. And fight the good fight. There's our little Luca. Luca says, I'm going to stay over here. It's too much action there. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. He's afraid of the hawk. Over and out. There he goes. He's going to fly up to a safer place with the crows. See? He's taking sanctuary by the crows on the ramp. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Over and out.